Welcome to the cBioPortal tutorial series brought to you by the Genomic Education team at the Jackson Laboratory. This short video provides an introduction to the cBioPortal database and demonstrates navigation through the homepage. The cBioPortal database is accessed through navigation to the website www.cbioportal.org. This database was developed at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center and is hosted by the Center of Molecular Oncology at Sloan Kettering. This database is open access, meaning the data is publicly available and is a resource on cancer genomics for scientists, clinicians, and anyone who wants to explore it. The studies on the cBioPortal all encompass genomic data, which means the patients included in this database underwent a form of genetic testing or genomic analysis. So this is a great resource for researchers and clinicians to investigate and analyze cancer genetics and genomics. On the landing page of the cBioPortal, there is a center panel with a list of published studies in the database. Next to the study name, there is the location of the study and the basic publication information. There is also a list of how many samples were included in the study. The studies are organized by tissue or sample type. Pan-cancer studies include many types of cancers, whereas those specific to a tissue can be found under the tissue and organ name listed in the menu on the left. For example, if we were interested in exploring a study including patients with pancreatic cancer, we can scroll on the left until we see pancreas. There are 11 studies included under this tissue type, which are revealed once we click on pancreas. The studies are further organized under the type of pancreatic cancer, for instance, adenocarcinoma. If we are interested in this study here, pancreatic cancer at UT Southwest with 109 samples, we would check the box next to the study and then hit Explore Selected Studies. The page will refresh with data from only that study. Thank you for listening. To learn more about the cBioPortal and its features, continue to watch videos in this tutorial series. For other resources from Jack's Genomic Education, find us on our website.